Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. To do that, you have to open the Start menu first, then open the Microsoft Edge web browser. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Go to your preferred web browser. I recommend using Google in this case, and search for Google Chrome. And immediately you will see the Google Chrome browser. In this case, this is a sponsored result, but I'm pretty sure that not sponsored result is the same page, which is google.com/Chrome. Just open it, and on the following page, you're gonna have to scroll down and select this button in the middle of the page. After that, the setup file will be downloaded. Run it, click yes, and then you can close your Edge browser and wait until Chrome is downloaded and installed. And after that, the browser will be automatically opened. You will also receive this desktop icon. You can choose whether you want to sign into your Chrome browser or stay signed out. Then if you want to set your browser, Google Chrome browser as default, click right here, otherwise skip. And right now you are ready to start using your brand new Google Chrome web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.